Come test drive the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, brake assist, rear view camera, front reading lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.